project management is a dynamic and rewarding profession. However, with the increasing demand for skilled professionals, competition is intensifying. Understanding the factors driving this competition is crucial for career advancement. Global demand surge. The global economy is experiencing rapid growth. By 2030, it's estimated that there will be a need for approximately 25 million new project professionals. This surge in demand is creating more opportunities, but it is also attracting more candidates. Technological advancements. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Over 60% of projects are now related to technology and transformation. Professionals must adapt to these changes to remain competitive. Shift to agile methodologies. Traditional project management approaches are giving way to agile methodologies. This shift requires project managers to be more flexible and proactive in their roles. Increased remote opportunities. The rise of remote work is expanding the talent pool. Project managers now face competition not only locally, but globally. Staying competitive. To stand out, project managers should focus on continuous learning and certification. Building a strong professional network and gaining experience in high-demand industries can also enhance competitiveness. Conclusion. While the project management field is becoming more competitive, there are ample opportunities for those who stay adaptable and proactive. By investing in personal and professional development, project managers can navigate this competitive landscape successfully.